my little kids, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with a new video for you. Today I'm going to learn you how to draw a beautiful house. Here I'm drawing a beautiful house. Follow my every steps and try to draw with me. You will learn easily house drawing. I draw the cute house and now it's time to color it. I'm using here watercolor to color this beautiful house. First one I'm using deep pink color. Now I'm using the red color. Here I'm using the yellow color. Now I'm using the purple color. This is called deep blue color. This is orange color. And the last color I'm using, this is light blue color. Wow, the house is looking so beautiful and so gorgeous. You should also try it at home. And thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel for more videos. I will be back with a new video for you. Till then, bye bye little kids. Wow!